today we are going to make with a special guest, my daughter. This is Zaya, and she's going to help me make some food that she likes to eat, or at least she wants to try. We'll have a picture-in-picture side by side of the recipe. It's a tasty recipe, and I might just wing it.
Crescent roll. Okay, so today we're cheating a recipe a little bit because we're using crescent rolls.
Recipe called for pizza dough, and instead we're going to substitute and use the crescent rolls, but we're not on that step. So right now we have an onion.
We're supposed to cut like a whole onion.
We're going to cut that up.
Here's how you want to cut an onion. Just let me have to peel off the skin, of course.
Through a pan. Then I'm gonna
probably the easiest step.
The easiest step? Well, leave that to me. I've got this. Right, so what is this called? This is some breadstick taco that she thinks will be good.
Yeah.
Seasoning, we just got these from Sprouts. I don't know what brand. Not sponsored, actually. Not on this. This isn't sponsored. But you can use whatever your favorite taco seasoning is. I don't really know which one she recommends. We're kind of winging it. And that's how we do it. The crescent, or whatever this is, like the crescent rolls. Now, the recipe calls for the pizza dough, and if you are way more creative, or if you have like way more time than we do, you can make your own pizza dough, and we might do that in a future video. If you run out of crescent roll because you only brought one instead of more than one, and if you're like me, not as prepared or likes to follow the rules, you can put it in a bowl, get some tortillas, and it's just as good, just as good.
Needs more cheese.
Guacamole. Now, I happen to know this by heart. I'm not following her recipe because I know guacamole. So you're gonna need avocados. Zaya, grab the tomatoes and the lime.
So let me eat this.
An onion, tomatoes, a lime. Bytes. If you liked our video, please subscribe.
Absolutely delicious. Please try it.
Or try your version and then post the comments on the link, because obviously this was our version, and yeah, kind of.
If you don't like it,
nailed it.
Other tasty videos.
So thank you guys.